The Lotus Evija is a purebred electric British hypercar, designed not just to compete with the world's most advanced cars but to surpass them. With its sleek sculpted body, futuristic aerodynamics, and astonishing performance, it has become a symbol of what's possible when British engineering meets cutting-edge electric vehicle technology. This is not just Lotus's first electric car, it is the most powerful electric production car ever built, delivering over 2,000 PS of raw power in a package that is both elegant and ferocious. The Evija takes its name from the idea of being the first in a new generation, and it lives up to that reputation. At its heart is a pure electric powertrain with 4 motors, one for each wheel, working together to create a staggering 2,039 PS, or 1,500 kilowatts of power. Combined with 1,704 Nm of torque and advanced torque vectoring, the Evija delivers instant, relentless acceleration. The numbers are jaw-dropping: 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and 0 to 186 miles per hour in under 10 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 217 miles per hour, or 350 kilometers per hour, putting it firmly among the fastest hypercars in history. Its battery pack is a 91 kWh unit mounted directly behind the cabin for optimal weight distribution. The WLTP combined range is around 195 miles, or 314 kilometers, which may sound modest compared to conventional EVs, but this car isn't designed for family road trips, it's engineered for uncompromising performance. When it comes to charging, the Evija demonstrates just how advanced Lotus engineering has become. With an 800-volt, 350-kilowatt charger, the battery can be taken from 10 to 80% in under 18 minutes, and with a standard 11-kilowatt charger, the same process takes just under 7.5 hours. That means owners can experience breathtaking speed without the long downtime usually associated with electric vehicles. The Evija's design is as much a part of its identity as its power. Its sculpted bodywork looks like it was carved by the wind, with dramatic Venturi tunnels channeling air through the rear quarters. Active aerodynamic elements and a deployable rear spoiler adjust in real time, ensuring the perfect balance of drag reduction and downforce. This isn't just about looking futuristic, it's about cutting through the air with absolute precision, giving the Evija agility and grip that rival even the best race-bred machines. Inside the cabin, the driver's seat is a command center inspired by Formula One technology. A hexagonal steering wheel puts key controls at your fingertips, while the digital display delivers everything from speed to performance data in crisp detail. Unlike many modern hypercars that overload you with screens, Lotus focused on simplicity and clarity. This ensures that the driver's attention stays firmly on the road and the raw experience of driving a 2,000 horsepower machine. The Evija doesn't just accelerate your pulse, it connects you directly to the essence of performance. Lotus has engineered the chassis with the same level of precision. A lightweight carbon fiber monocoque keeps weight down to just 1,894 kilograms, an impressive figure given the size of the battery and power system. The steering uses hydraulic power assist, delivering feedback and feel that electronic systems often dilute. Braking is handled by massive 390mm carbon ceramic discs, with 6-piston calipers at the front and 4-piston calipers at the rear, ensuring that this hypercar stops as confidently as it accelerates. Every component, from suspension to aerodynamics, has been fine-tuned to create a machine that feels alive in the hands of the driver. One of the most unique aspects of the Lotus Evija is its exclusivity. Production is strictly limited to just 130 units worldwide, a tribute to its internal project code, Type 130. Each car is essentially a piece of automotive history, representing the moment Lotus embraced electrification while staying true to its DNA of lightness, precision, and performance. The reservation process is as elite as the car itself. A £250,000 deposit secures your production slot, with a final price of over £2 million before duties and taxes. This level of exclusivity makes the Evija not just a hypercar but also a collectible, destined to be a centerpiece of private collections around the globe. Beyond its performance and exclusivity, the Evija marks a turning point for Lotus as a brand. It is the first in a new generation of lifestyle performance vehicles, paving the way for models like the Electra Hyper SUV and the Emeya Hyper GT. While those vehicles broaden Lotus's reach, the Evija remains the flagship, a statement of intent that Lotus can create a car as powerful and desirable as any competitor in the hypercar market. From every angle, the Lotus Evija is a masterpiece of design and engineering. It accelerates with the ferocity of a jet fighter, stops with the confidence of a race car, and carves through the air like a bullet. But it's also a symbol, a declaration that the age of electric performance is here, and it can be even more thrilling than the era of combustion. For the 130 fortunate owners, it represents entry into an exclusive club of hypercar history. And for the rest of us, it's a glimpse into the electrified future of performance driving. The Lotus Evija isn't just the most powerful electric hypercar ever built. It's a showcase of what happens when tradition and innovation collide, a car that proves speed, design, and emotion are not bound to gasoline. It is, without question, one of the most exciting and important cars of the decade.